Modern security operations centers, or SOCs, face overwhelming alert volumes, staff shortages, and rapidly evolving threats. Manual investigation is no longer sufficient. This video explores how security orchestration, automation, and response, or SOAR, platforms are transforming blue team operations. SOAR stands for Security Orchestration, Automation, and Response. These platforms unify disparate security tools into automated workflows. Orchestration coordinates multiple security tools automatically. Automation executes predefined actions without human intervention. Response accelerates containment and remediation during active incidents. SOAR ties technologies like SIEM, EDR, firewalls, and threat intelligence together. Security orchestration centralizes actions, which dramatically reduces response time. Without it, analysts waste time switching between various dashboards and portals. Orchestration enables automated steps like pulling threat intelligence, querying EDR telemetry, blocking malicious IPs, and opening incident tickets within a single workflow. SOAR platforms can automatically execute predefined containment actions the moment a threat is detected. This rapid automated response is critical during major outbreaks, reducing attacker dwell time. Actions include isolating compromised endpoints, blocking malicious domains, disabling accounts, quarantining emails, and updating firewall rules. Playbooks are predefined, step-by-step operational procedures for handling specific threat types, ensuring consistent and repeatable responses. Examples include a phishing playbook for email analysis and quarantining, a ransomware playbook for isolating hosts and blocking C2 communication, and a cloud compromise playbook for revoking suspicious credentials and isolating workloads. AI is transforming society analysts' work, shifting focus from repetitive triage to high-value investigation and strategic defense. AI-assisted workflows help prioritize and correlate alerts, perform anomaly detection, and generate investigation summaries. This accelerates analyst decisions and cuts through the noise of false positives. Automation enhances, it does not replace, human analysts. Automation handles repetitive triage, data lookups, correlation, and rapid containment. Analysts still need to focus on complex investigations, strategic decision-making, threat hunting, and using human judgment. Automation frees up analysts for the critical work that requires human expertise. SOAR and automation offer significant benefits. They provide faster response times, with containment actions executing in seconds. They increase operational efficiency by freeing analysts from repetitive tasks. They reduce human error through consistent, validated workflows. Finally, they enable scalable operations to handle growing alert volumes without proportional headcount increases. Automation is powerful, but poorly designed workflows can cause serious harm. Safe automation requires careful testing before deployment, strong governance, and human oversight on critical actions. Continuous validation of detection logic and regular review of playbooks are essential for stability. Key takeaways emphasize the need for automation, orchestration, and intelligent workflows in modern cyber defense. SOAR platforms unify tools for coordinated response. Automated response executes containment quickly. Playbooks standardize incident handling. AI-assisted workflows amplify analyst effectiveness. Up next, we will discuss cloud detection and response.